coming from Matale. It's so cold and windy. Today 11. My god, I did so much with fingers now. So apparently we've done 1/3 of the tour, because we've totally completed 10 days and we're starting the 11th day, so which means 10 out of 30 is completed successfully. And I just need to like have breakfast now and then think exactly like where to go, and I'll be leaving. So my breakfast is ready and I'm having some traditional Sri Lankan food. So this is string hoppers and this is dal. Also you've got some pots of coconut sambar. So I'm gonna have it while I have this view. So it is 9:30 and I'm about to go to Patana or Ella. Anyhow, like both are there. According to the time, I would decide whether to go to Patana or Ella. Anyhow, this is the place that I'm staying in, and this place is called as Senri Village Holiday Bungalow. So this place costed me 3k. So apparently this place is located like 4 kilometers before the Matale town towards Bungalow. Cold climate, right? So when the engine gets a little bit cold, this is what, so you need to start your bike and keep it for at least a minute or two so that it will get a little bit heated. Next time I'm not gonna choose places like this. This is way too steep.
Up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I left it.
Okay, so now we are in Matale town, and in Matale town there is a road which turns to Rattota. So that's the road we should take, but let's see how long does it take, because these roads are, I mean, I cannot drive fast in these roads. You have to like go slow because there are curves, and also not only that, like there are like broken roads everywhere.
Even if the sky is falling down.
So we've come to the spot and I just parked the bike here. So you'll be coming from Matale from this way, and then this turn like this, and there's a board which says Bambarakiri Ella waterfall. So apparently guys, we are not going to Sri Lanka or Patana. We're going to Bambarakiri Ella because it takes so much time to come in this road, and I'll lose time if I go to Sri Lanka and come. In case if you're staying a night in Riverston, that would be the best option for you to go to to Sri Lanka or Patana. Anyways, this is the parking spot. So I've parked the bike over here. This is how it is in remote areas and when you come to the mountains. So you have to make sure you have enough of time. And me, I'm not having much time. I'm trying to do the best with the time that I've given. So it's 30 days, 30 destinations, solo Sri Lanka. So we need to make sure we cover contents. Like I make sure I show you attractions in every place, and also make sure I cover all those 30 destinations within 30 days. So yeah, let's go and check out Bambarakiri Ella. Yeah, it's too shaky. Holy oh, here it is. I mean, I'm wondering whether I should look at the step I keep or should I keep looking at the waterfall. So as you get the waterfall on this side, you get a tank on the other side. So right below the bridge, the water keeps flowing to a tank and then it keeps going. Who wants to come here? Who wants to come visit Bambarakiri Ella? Just drop a comment down below on whether you want to come here or not.
You're gone, you're gone.
I'm gonna keep the bag here. Hey, don't fall, don't fall. Let's go a bit more closer, 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 closer. Closer, closer, closer. Damn son, look, I like the color of that. Yeah. And another thing is, guys, wanted to let you know that the short that I'm wearing was actually provided by Caracal, and I'm so much in love with this because it's so comfy. And this is the first time that I'm wearing a short with a shirt. Short shirt, short shirt, short, short, shirt, shirt. I am excited. Woo! And that's because no one else is here. I'm having this waterfall just for myself. Just for myself. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Mysterious girl, I wanna get close to you. So close to you, my baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Mysterious girl, move your body close to mine. And that's like the song which hits my head when I come to a waterfall. Because whenever I dip in myself on a waterfall, I used to think of that song and just kind of chill, chill, chill. Also, what else? I forgot. Just like it if you really like my content. Alright? Guys, you know what? I got the official picture by myself. And look at this. I just got it to myself. Check out Instagram for all the official pictures that I post. Alright, let's move now. I hope I got everything.
Don't say goodbye. Don't do this down. Don't go, don't go, don't go.
We've come to the end of the Bambarakiri Ella adventure. Now I'm gonna go to my room, pack my stuff, and head to Kandy. Come. Hey, mother. Look, we got two duggers. And guys, like, always be responsible when you use plastic. And I'm disposing it in the proper bin when I'm going. So do not throw. Look, this is down, and like I saw some plastic over there. Do not like dispose it as you think. Make sure you put it to the bin itself. Guys, we are leaving to Kandy now, and it is 2 p.m. Let's see how long is it gonna take, and I'm wearing the Red FM 107.8. Okay, guys, I just came to the post office in Matale, and apparently these guys have closed it, and all the post office in Sri Lanka is closed today and tomorrow, I guess. Like, that's what he told me, that they will seal, like put the tomorrow seal, and will send me a post to my address. So these guys, they took my, you know, those guys who are going there, they took my address and they told that they will send it to me. Oh God, why did this happen? Okay, so we are properly in the Kandy city, and what is right next to me is the lake that is in Kandy. Wait, what is the name of this? Yeah, let me check. Where do I find a room? Okay guys, it's 4:15 and I am in Kandy, and I found out this hotel called Avora Hotel by Cinemas. So that is where I am. My room is over there. This place is somewhat pretty decent and a very calm area, which is very close to the town. But yeah, and I want to be somewhat close to the town, but it should be very calm, something like that. In some cases, yes, I do need some remote area. It took so much time for me to come to Kandy because the route from Matale to Kandy is apparently like, it's too packed. The road is small and there's so much of vehicles, so it's kind of, you know, a little bit annoying to drive in that road. So I was a little bit frustrated because it took me way too much time for me to come here. So this is my room for tonight in Kandy. Oh, is it locked? Yes, it is. Also, you've got a balcony. And I'm the only guest. Wherever I go, most of the time I'm like the only guest. It's a bit creepy. It's a bit creepy. Wait, from which way do I go to Katugastota? That's a one way. Also guys, in the meantime when I'm trekking, I'll give you a better view of Kandy. And that is the Kandy City Centre. So basically you can even have good food over there. Oh, this place is built newly. That's really nice. Oh, it's like so clean, new roads. Okay, now I better find the entrance ticket. Oh shoot, I think I missed another entrance to KCC. What the hell, bro? Hey, KCC entrance ka ko to natin, eh? So the decisions to make whether Burger Hut or Burger King, I apparently chose Burger King, and that's because I came to the Kandy City Centre. If I had known the route, I must have gone to Burger Hut itself. Gonna have dinner and then I'll head to the room and I'll transfer all the files. You know, it's been a hassle transferring all these files because it's like a lot of GB that it takes to record all this. And also, like, for the people who are watching this, like, if you are thinking whether this is a sponsored video, if it is like, if I'm doing it on my own, I'm just doing it on my own, man. Like, this is like the first biggest project that I'm doing in Sri Lanka. I have been like doing so many other projects, but then wasn't able to do this. I have been waiting from 2017 October to do such a program like this, which is like, sort of Sri Lanka. It's a dream come true. I'm like, blubbering. It's a dream come true, actually. So that's the thing. The only thing is, I just want people to kind of share this as much as you all can, and just support me, because I'm seriously doing this on my own. So yeah.